Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update for Sunday 2nd of October. Okay, we'll love you back and it's been a while we haven't talked about Bitcoin. Alright, so yesterday we saw Bitcoin trying to move down a little bit, and this is where we are reaching right now, $19,144. Now I'm looking at so many different coins across the board. I'm looking at DXY, the USDT, and they still show that Bitcoin isn't in the mood of actually going up anytime soon. Okay, and as a matter of fact, we did have this some particular support right here, and that's actually lost, and you're looking to actually come down to $18,400 in the meanwhile. Who knows, you can come to 18,400, make a double bottom and try to move back up again. That's not really guaranteed. Now, can anyone tell you the movement of Bitcoin at this time? No, there's no any pattern. There's no any there's no inverse head and shoulders. There's no chart pattern that can tell us if Bitcoin is looking to go higher. All I see in simple put is that the weekly is the only place that have a little bit of a hint, and that is, you try to came down here, try to make a double bottom and try to move to the upside, but you didn't make the double bottom. Instead, you actually had this support there, support here, lost down, went up, got it rejected there with resistance right now. So basically, it's still not something that I think is super amazing. So what do you do in this case? You actually take hints from the altcoins. I showed you FTT the last time. So FTT on a weekly time frame is looking really bad. You can already see that it did the same thing. It had support right there, support right over here, lost support, went up, looking for the kiss of death and looking to actually drop down. Now, another altcoin that I want to show you is Ethereum, the king of altcoins actually. So Ethereum is right over here, and we can already see that on the daily time frame, we're putting in an extended bear flag right over there. You can see that. So what I want to do is very quickly remove the chart patterns. Number one is that you do have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and that's actually looking to drop you down to $1,000.60. At the moment, I do see one bear flag actually being made right over there. You can already see that that's actually a flag right over here, very clear one, and you can see Ethereum is actually going to drop you from there to there, and it's on a technical journey to actually go down to this price level, which is going to be so right over there, $929, unless you don't actually start to come up above this neckline right here, and break the flag and go above 1422 and try to back test it and hold it, then there could be chances of moving higher. But then again, you also need to break above the neckline, which is 1444. For me, the clear path would actually go to $1,500. That would actually be a little bit positive for Ethereum moving forward. Of course, we're going to have to check with some more checks as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin right now. Very quick one. My view still remains to the downside, of course, unless we don't go above $22,000 and we start to attack $22,000. Tether dominance is also bullish, and you've got to keep that in mind as well. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.